Hey, I'm Andrew Hunter. We're at Rowan Woodwork. First Friday of every month, we get together and geek out about hand tools. I'm a Japanese hand tool freak, but yeah, any hand tools.
Oh yeah.
Japan they plain green wood. One has a big green one, but that's all my other ones have just a little piece cut in. But in general, against that. Their weight is here, right below them. But the second they lift up this foot and go onto this one, they lose their balance. This becomes not as deep.
It's pretty good. It's a good one. This is cherry, yellow cedar.